Hi, this is Sharon. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here to do an unboxing of the March YarnYay subscription box by Vicki Howell. So this is my box, and let's open it up and see what's inside. I love the different paper that they use. It's always such pretty patterns, and I save it. I don't know what exactly I'll use it for. I haven't done much paper crafting lately, but down the road, you never know. So I like to hold on to it. And, oh, it's a beautiful shawl that we're going to be making. And as usual, there's a crochet version and the knit version, as they do both in the box. So there's both versions there. Very pretty. And here's the yarn. It's so soft. This is Vicki's Montoya Merino Light, and it's such a beautiful yarn. It's just so soft and pretty. I can't wait to see how this washes up. I'm looking at the word superwash. How this crochets up or knits up. I haven't decided yet which one I'm going to do. It's 100% superwash merino, which is why I said the word wash, because I was looking at that. It's sport weight, and it's 300 yards or 275 meters, and it's 100 grams or 3.5 ounces. And the directions are machine wash in cold water and lay flat to dry. Such a beautiful soft yarn, really pretty. And, oh, it's a row counter from Knitter's Pride. I love the symbols on Knitter's Pride things. Nicely wrapped. Oh, that's pretty. And it's on 82. That's funny. So it works nice. There we go, back to 0. And stitch counters always come in handy. I have one that I keep with me that I bought from Amazon for under $2. It's not the best model, but it works fine. And this will be great to have another one. And a cute little bag that you can reuse. And, oh, 2 stickers. So this is cute. I got this, and as a box to check 100%, or who am I kidding? So it's sticky notes, and then a sticker here, embrace gratitude. So that is this month's box, and as usual, they do a great job. I love that you get other things with the pattern and the yarn, and it's not just that. So that's what makes this box a little bit more special, at least for me. And I love this yarn. So I have to decide which one I'm going to make. I might knit this up. I haven't knitted in a while. I've been doing a lot of crocheting, so maybe I'll knit this for something different. But thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.